Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our today's topic is what is anxiety disorder, its symptoms and treatment procedures. Anxiety disorder is a mental condition in which person is fearful of things and certain situation. In this type of disorder, person has fear of future or any upcoming event. Like person may have fear of giving a speech in front of a large crowd. The feelings of fear will be so high that it hinders the performance. Suppose if a student has to give a speech in front of a large crowd and he has a social anxiety disorder, then this excessive fear and thoughts hinder his performance at speech and he will not be able to perform well. Even if in worse conditions, person may have accelerated heart rate, sweats and even cry. Even some persons may faint during the speech. Anxiety disorder has many types like social anxiety disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, panic attacks, phobias. People suffering with anxiety disorder even have miserable lives. They even can't go outside home and unable to go with friends just due to their excessive worries or thoughts. Persons may have thoughts like others will judge him or even make fun of him. That is false perception. So he is unable to enjoy his life. Such person even worry on small things like if they didn't go office on time or even if their tasks are not completed on that time may excessively worry on such small things. Such people will always be seen as they are in hurry. Such persons may overreact on something that trigger their emotions. Even they are unable to control their behaviors or responses to situations. People with traumatic events in early childhood are prone to have anxiety disorder later in life. Personality traits also reason for it, such as shyness and avoiding uncomfortable places, people and situations. Such persons are more prone to have anxiety disorders. Fortunately, there are several treatments for anxiety disorders that are effective too. Anti-anxiety medicines such as benzodiazepines are used widely to treat anxiety disorders. CBD is also being used to treat anxiety disorder. Exposure therapy is also being used to treat phobias. Relaxation techniques are also used to treat such type of mental illnesses. Especially progressive relaxation is widely used for this purpose. Meditation, yogas are widely used to treat such type of mental illnesses. So if you are suffering with anxiety disorder, no need to worry about it. Go book an appointment with your therapist. So this was my today's video. Hopefully you liked it. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe my channel. Up till next video, take care.